Who said Valentine's dessert has to be complicated? I will show you today how to make guilt-free, absolutely delicious, beautiful, glorious, gluten-free, healthy, light, fluffy, and irresistible. And most important, it's a go-ahead make dessert. Very nice. Look at that spongy, beautiful, and absolutely delicious. Let's make it. Hello everyone, this is Inna with Innichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. It's almost Valentine's Day, and today I'm going to show you how to make elegant dessert, not overly sweet, silky, light, and absolutely delicious. And for the ingredients we need some strawberries and raspberry frozen. We also need dry freeze strawberries or raspberry, whatever you have. I have mixture of strawberry, raspberries, a little bit of blackberries, and here just strawberries. You can combine it and you can choose and mismatch, any kind will work. Also we need some sugar, we need pinch of salt, grass-fed gelatin, water, lemon juice, egg whites, heavy cream. And for the garnish we need heavy whipped cream and fresh strawberries. To start, we will start with placing frozen berries into saucepan, 6 tablespoons of sugar, and pinch of salt. And I'm using Celtic salt. And on low-medium heat, start heating this mixture until it's fully cooked. Should take about 6 minutes or so. We need to bloom the gelatin, which is mean we take gelatin and just pour water. And set aside. Now about dry freeze berries. Actually my favorite is preserve all nutrients, and it's like chips. My kids like to take to school as a chips. That's the only chips they allow to eat. By the way, it's delicious. I love it. So all we need to do in food processor process is 1 cup of strawberries. Perfect. And with fine mesh strainer, place over the bowl, and we're going to sift all this powder to get rid of it, the seeds. Believe it or not, but strawberry do have seeds. Even they are so tiny, but they do have seeds. Mash everything through. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous powder. Come look how beautiful this cooked fruit, berries. They are glossy, delicious. And my daughter said smell good. Yes, strawberries always and raspberry smells good. So now we're going to process and food process until it's nice and smooth. As you notice, I did not wash food processor, no needed. This natural, gluten-free, no-bake dessert, it's so easy to make, so fun to eat, and can please anybody. Now we're going to sift through the same strain masher to remove all seeds, and look how beautiful and glossy this puree. This is discard, we don't need that. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Should be about 1 cup total. And to this we're going to add strawberry powder, 2 tablespoons. Whisk everything until everything incorporates. And to this, we add in bloom gelatin. And lemon juice. Whisk all together until gelatin completely dissolves. Beautiful, gorgeous. Set aside until it's cooled down until room temp. Add your whipped cream to the bowl. Make sure your whipped cream is cold. It's almost, not yet, it's getting thicker. Perfect. Perfect. Very important to not overbeat. Beautiful whipped cream. Keep in the fridge until we finish with all mousse. Now the last component to our mousse is egg whites. We have 3 egg whites and the rest of the sugar. Whisk. Now bring your pot, any pot, about 1 inch, 2 inch of water and bring to boiling. And place your egg whites with sugar on top. Kind of create a bath, water bath. We're almost there. It takes about 3-4 minutes or until the temperature reaches to 160-165 Fahrenheit. We are getting very, very close, and let's check the temperature. As soon as we register 165, it's time to cool down while we will whisk at the same time. As you see, it's getting nice and beautiful pale, white pale color. But it's not ready yet. We need to keep whisking until it gets more volume. As you see now, it's how beautiful, white, glossy, but has some body, has some volume. It's perfect. Gently. I'll start with 1 scoop. And it's very important gently to whisk. Try to preserve the volume of the meringue. Take your cold whipped cream that we made earlier, and we're going to fold again. Divide between 6 ramekins. We made that powder earlier today, so I'm going to garnish. So, I'm so excited to try this, but before that, we have to put it in the fridge for about 12-24 hours. 12 hours pass. This is wonderful dessert because you can make ahead of time, actually up to 3 days. If you're busy, it helps. Let me taste this irresistible, beautiful mousse. Oh yes, look at this, spongy. So the flavor, the berries, the raspberry, slightly lemon, little bit sweet, little bit sour. It's so exciting, it's so delicious and nutritious. I have to say, it has so many vitamin C. It's so delicious. You will absolutely love it. And I hope you enjoy to make this recipe soon, and leave me a comment below if you like or no. And see you next time. Bye.